On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram not login problem easily and fast. First thing you wanna do, guys, to fix this problem is actually so easy. So open the settings on your phone like this, and then go to the wireless add networks, and then enable the airplane mode. Go back, click on the apps manager. Open the apps like this. Now you have to wait a few seconds, and after that scroll until you find Instagram, click on it, and then click on force stop, and then click on the storage, click on clear cache, clear data, and now go back to the settings, click on the wireless and networks again, and then disable the airplane mode. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial until the very end.